Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove this door panel on a Lexus LX470 98 to I believe 2007, maybe 2002, or a Land Cruiser as well. The first thing we're going to do, to do that, here's the other one on the other side. This part goes right here and this part goes right here. So you want to use this part, stick that in, and then hit this part this way, and then it should just lift up, and then you can unhook it. Next, we're going to get a Phillips screwdriver or a 10mm and remove this. Quicker. Okay, next, right here, we're going to knock this thing out. Okay, once you get that out, just gonna unscrew it. Okay. Next, we have to remove each of the, all the way around the door panel. So there's one there, and then right here, there's gonna be two. Just rip this thing off or move it off. I'm not sure if it's like this on all vehicles or just this specific one, but there's one right there, Phillips screw, and then one down there as well. Okay, now you may wonder how to get these out. Ideally, you want to stick a pick in there and pull this middle part out, and then you can just go like this and pop the rest of it out, but I don't have a pick right now, so I'm just going to pop them out. So ideally, that comes out like that, and then this piece will just come out. But since I don't have that, I'm just going to pry them off, and this will break them, but yeah, so I'm going to pry each one off. I have each one off. It's going to be loose except for right here. Okay, so in order to do that, you start wiggling it, and then it should just come off. And then our last piece is just unhooking this right here, and that's how you remove the door panel. And then you can get to the speaker, the window motor, the window regulator, and what else you need to get to.